What's going on, guys? Reaper here from Reaper Garage. I know, this is crazy. We're back on working on the truck. Look at that. We're back on working on the frame. And you're probably saying, what the hell am I doing under the hatch of my car? I don't know if you guys can see the trees in the back. It's windy as hell. And it's freezing out here. It's been cold. It's been hot for the last 3 weeks, and today Florida decided, you know what? I'm on my period. I'm gonna make it cold. So now I'm dealing with that. So I'm gonna do a lot of voiceover on this video because it's super windy. I'm not joking. I don't know if you guys can see the trees or not. But anyways, that being said, we're back at it. We're back on working on the truck again. I know it's been a while since we worked on the truck. I know the last video was about the bed. Just to update you guys, so I'll put here where you can skip so you guys see me working on the truck. Ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, Florida decided to be bipolar. Look at those trees moving. Holy crap, it was really windy. So now you see why I have to do a bunch of voiceovers. But anyways, look at that, look at that, look at all those trees move. I was kind of scared that one of them was gonna knock me out. But anyways, guys, let's get back into the truck. But anyways, as you guys can see, the bed is cut in 2 pieces, so I end up cutting the bed even more than from you guys saw from the last video. I never recorded a video of me cutting it even more, but hey, we're going lightweight. And even though I know I need to hit the gym and lose some weight because I'm pretty chubby and fat, but the truck's gonna do that for me a little bit. But anyways, not really, just wanted the truck a little bit more lighter. And today's episode, we're back on working on the truck. Man, finally, we're back on working on this thing. As you can see, we're going to be disassembling the frame a little bit more. Look how rusty this thing is. Florida summer season is coming, so that means raining season. So I got to get this frame disassembled, everything off of it, get it ready for sandblasting, wire brush, whatever you want to call it. Get all that rust off, get everything off of it. Still got to take the gas tank off, all the brake lines, you can see. I got to remove a bunch of stuff, all the lower control arms, everything has to come off of this thing for me to get it sandblasted and painted, whatever I'm going to do with it. Keep in mind, obviously, all this stuff that you're seeing is just surface rust, but you know what surface rust leads to in a raining season. It's going to get worse and worse, and the last thing I want is the surface rust to turn to actual rust itself and eat through my frame, and then I can't use the frame. Then at that point, I'm going to have to spend 20 grand on a whole tube frame completely from scratch. So I don't want to do that, so that's why we're doing this. And the wind is so strong that you can see it move my camera. That is crazy. So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the frame is completely stripped. I still got to take out the torsion bars. As you can see, they're still there, but everything else is off of it. There's all the stuff I took off of it. Oh man. In the process of making this video, I broke a ratchet and a bunch of other things of my tools. I was already frustrated as it was. But as you can see, I can pick up the whole frame just with one hand. So yeah, I still got to cut a couple things off of the chassis. There's a couple brackets I still have to cut off before, start, get it sandblasted and whatnot. But as you can see, this thing is so light that I can pick it up by myself. But yeah, that pretty much just wraps it up for this video. I apologize for the wind noise and doing voiceovers. The front end, lower control arm and stuff like that, steering box is all over here in the corner. I am keeping the steering box. I'm not buying that brand new. I'm just gonna, get that sand down pretty good and repaint it. But everything else on this truck is getting brand new brake lines, brand new everything. Everything's getting brand new. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. I'm Reaper. Thank you for watching Reaper Garage. I don't have dirty hands today, guys, so clean hands. Peace.